Dyanora Sigma 80 cm, 32 inches, HD Ready Smart LED TV. Product information. Resolution HD Ready 1366 x 768. Refresh rate 60 Hz. Connectivity to HDMI ports to connect set-top box, Blu-ray speakers or gaming console to USB ports to connect hard drives or other USB devices to AV input slots, 1 headphone jack. Sound 30 watts output, inbuilt surround sound. Display A+ grade display panel, 178-degree viewing angle, noise reduction, brightness enhancement. Smart TV features: Kulita 2.0 Linux OS, dual band Wi-Fi, screen mirroring, 512 MB RAM, 4 GB ROM, supported apps, Prime Video, Disney Plus, Hotstar, YouTube, etc. Warranty: 1 year standard manufacturer warranty from Dyanora from date of purchase. Easy returns. This product is eligible for replacement within 10 days of delivery in case of any product defects, damage or features not matching the description provided. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.